Orúkọ mi ni Wale, bad boy talker, not a rapper, looks like the expensive talker. I must survive, this is my time, I must survive. Big brown cigar and my bloodshot nigga. I know they do much talking with my pretty gold digger. No levitate, I'm about to kill this shit so like Afro jigger. And me be lyrics dealer among all of my niggas. So them they call me killer just because I wear those lyrics. I make a flow a river, now my rivals done the ginger. Whether good or bad I leave her. I rhyme so hard like pillar, my music bad like slipper. Hope I'm a paid nigga cause I'm known for mighty figures. No higher about my music cause you can't afford your liver. I thought I had friends but we never died together. And it doesn't last forever, they can be whatsoever. I'm just a mortal god though I'm never dangerous. No cap about my music cause my music never rust. When it's about the family they know I'm generous. Make me or break me, it's the life we living in. No competition but I'm never giving in. This year I'm leveling, for sure I'm breaking in. The greatest come by, is the time I'm coming in. Hope you understand my plot to get richer, so I disobey my teacher and I give them middle finger cause I'm all about my paper. And I never do consider all because I'm not a nigga, but my sense of humor bigger than bigger. Orúkọ mi ni Wale, bad boy talker, not a rapper, looks like the expensive talker.